Hello to all the hungry tummies tuning in to Cooking Tips 5S. It's morning. You feel too lazy to cook, but you still want something delicious and a little fancy. So what do? Let's get started with the first dish. Sausage and cheese bread rolls. On the tray, we have sandwich bread, black sesame seeds, diced mozzarella cheese, 3 sausages and 2 eggs. First, place the sandwich bread on the cutting board. Then use the spatula you normally use for stir-frying vegetables to press down firmly, flattening the bread until it becomes thin and compressed. That way, it will be much easier to roll later. For the sausages, cut them in half lengthwise. Then place 1/2 of a sausage onto the flattened slice of bread and sprinkle a line of diced cheese down the center. Carefully roll it up tightly. And here comes the trick. To keep the bread from opening while it bakes, use a bamboo toothpick to pin the edge in place. Continue doing the same until everything is finished. Now it's time to prepare the bath. Take a large glass bowl and crack in 2 fresh eggs. Use a whisk to beat them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Add a pinch of black sesame seeds to the egg mixture, then whisk lightly a few more times so the seeds are evenly distributed. Using tongs, pick up each bread roll and gently dip it into the bowl of egg. Turn it back and forth so the egg and black sesame coat the entire outer surface evenly. Then place the rolls neatly into the basket of the air fryer. Just let them cook until they turn beautifully golden. They're done! Arrange them on a plate, but wait before eating. Make sure to pull out the toothpicks first, or things could go very wrong. Oh wow! The egg-coated crust is gorgeously golden, fragrant with sesame, and the moment you break one open, the stretchy melted cheese pulls together with the hot sausage inside. Are you already swallowing hard? If this dish has completely won you over, leave a comment saying, "So craving this, so knows." Don't forget to hit like on the video, and let's move straight on to the second dish, equally impressive. The second dish, baked sausage and egg toast. The ingredients are almost the same. 2 slices of bread, 1 sausage, cheese, and 1 egg. This time, slice the sausage on a diagonal into thin pieces. Take the first slice of bread and arrange the sausage slices in a circle in the centre. Then sprinkle diced cheese into all the empty spaces. Place the second slice of bread on top. This next step is important. Use the back of a spoon to press firmly into the centre of the bread, creating a small square well. Then gently drop the egg yolk into that hollow. Sprinkle another ring of cheese around the edge of the egg so it looks even more beautiful. Now place it into the air fryer. Use moderate heat so the cheese can melt and turn lightly golden, while the egg cooks to a soft, jammy centre. With just a tiny bit of creativity, you already have a 5-star restaurant breakfast at home. Thank you for watching Cooking Tips 5S today. Be sure to try it right away. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for countless more top-tier cooking tips. Goodbye and see you again next time.